Hi, this is Jeannie, and I just wanted to show you a couple of new tools that we have at Trendy. The first one is a heavy-duty wire cutter, and that number is MT1069. Blue handle. It's kind of like the Trendy blue. These are heavy-duty wire cutters. They have a lock where you can just slide that back, where you can use it, and they're really good for cutting wire. And then when you're through with them, you just slide that lock back and you're done. They're about 8 inches or so. And the next one are these 9.5-inch ribbon scissors. They're made for, they're heavy duty, and they're chrome plated blades, and they're made for cutting ribbon. So let me just, this is a brand new pair I haven't used. So again, it's kind of that Trendy blue, but they're just right for cutting ribbon. And those are on the website. And the other thing is this new bow maker from Pobo. Now, we also sell the regular Pro Bow, and this is the Pro Bow 4-in-1. And we also sell the EZ Bow Maker. This is the EZ Bow Maker. Pretty much these are very similar. They just hold your ribbon. There's 2 holes here, and they're long pegs, and the holes on this are deeper than on the Pro Bow. So you just, if you were going to make a bow, you just put 2 posts together and put a post on the end to hold your ribbon, and you just drop that in there and start making your bow. Now, the other good thing that this is good for is it has extra pegs that come with it. And for instance, if you wanted to make your ribbon strips, say you wanted to make 12-inch ribbon strips, you could put this right here. There's markings on here, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If you wanted to make 12-inch ribbon strips, you just put the 2 pegs there, and then you take your ribbon and just take your ribbon and just go around like that. That way you can make your ribbon strips any length. And then you could just ease that up off the board and cut your ribbon right there. Put your scissors in that loop and cut that off and have 12-inch ribbon strips. So just a short, just wanted to show you these couple of new things. You'll find this on the website if you just look for Pro Bow. Now, I like to just stick my pegs back in here so that we don't lose any of them, and they're kind of out of the way. So that's it. Of course, there's other things, other tools on the website, but these are new. The wire cutters, the scissors, ribbon scissors, and that is MT107230, and then the Pro Bow 4-in-1. Thanks for watching.